How to download and install Pinterest on Android phone. First of all, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. At the top, tap on the search bar and type in Pinterest. You need to look for the official Pinterest app in the results section and then tap on the install button next to the Pinterest app. Once you have done that, the app starts downloading and installing on your device. Once it gets installed on your device, you can easily log in or sign up to create account and enjoy the features available on Pinterest. By following this step, you will have Pinterest and then running on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.